Hello YouTube, I hope you guys can hear me. This is my first real video, I guess. Here is my sweet little puppy dog. Yep, there's another puppy dog back there. We got two puppy dogs. Say roof. Roof, roof. This is what we got the dogs carrying in today. Let me turn the flashlight on, hold on. There we go, flashlight, buddy. Hello guys, gardening with Luke. I'm not sure. Japanese maples is the subject today. And we're just gonna get to business. How does that sound? Me and the dogs are ready to ride. We're all suited up, tucked in, stored away. All of the above. I'm gonna throw my camera in the dog bag. Sorry guys, you got another buddy. How does that sound? Let's just flick that puppy up. So this is the tree in question. It is a Japanese maple tree. This right here is what we want. We like this, but according to Facebook, this is bad. Alright, the only way to fix this is to chop this off. You tell me, am I making a mistake? It's actually growing through right here too. We might be cooked.
Overcooked on the bottom, crispy as
We'll see. Alright, sorry guys, my garage is a little messy. And it's hot as hell. I'm getting tools, alright? Tools. I think a saw is actually going to be the only tool we use for right now, but I like to plan ahead. So we're gonna put this saw right here and grab our next tool. We got some garden loppers. Okay. Now these things. I got lots of them. So we got our tools. Or 3 tools for the job. Now the next step is get to work. I hope I recorded that. In the previous clip, which I hope you guys saw, we actually went through the whole thing. And I hope you guys saw because it was very hard work. We cut the sucker already. Guys, we might actually just get lopers in here and just lope it, you know? I don't know how we're gonna do this, guys. I'm gonna get down like this, okay? This gardening shit's not fucking easy. To be a real gardener, it takes more than just knowledge, I'll tell you that. Fuck out of my ear. Yeah, fuck these lopers. We're not using fucking lopers. They're too big. They're way too big. Maybe you can see right now. I mean, we're just gonna go at it with these guys and just... I mean, did I say this was hard work?
Took my heart.
we would like this gone, okay? You hear me? Here she goes. That's it. I was trying not to do that, but here, wonder if you can see that. I don't think we're gonna get far with this method, to be honest. I mean, sometimes it's best to just call it. So now the tree looks fucking dead. We just took away all the life out of our poor little tree. There she is, our new and improved Japanese maple tree. We're gonna fix that knobbly bit eventually. It's hot. It's I have to water my plants. I try to every night, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the garden so far, and then in a later video I'll give you guys a more in-depth tour. This is my lime tree. It doesn't make limes yet. He's a work in progress. Maybe I'll give him some water though. We got a sister ghost. Fuck. First ghost. Blackbeard's gold. Misazuki. Right here. That's a Misazuki. Mikawa seedling. This is not my normal Mikawa. A weeping habit. I really like the color on this one, Shoho Shidare. Very similar to the one next to it, which is an octopus, except the octopus has a much it's brighter. Here we got a pixie. This one's a dragon, I'm pretty sure. Red dragon. This one over here is garnet. No bronze on this guy, but it's garnet. Shreds are Takayama. He's got a nice weep to him. This guy's doing real well. He's happy. Japanese black pine. Juniper. Japanese black pine. My dwarf jade thing. Here is going to be a white pine with some sort of other tree inside of it. This right here is a Chinese elm tree, and right next to it is going to be another Chinese elm tree, but this one is a very small leaf. This is a Mikawa. This is what Mikawa looks like when it's doing good. When it's healthy, it looks like that. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to not my first. Thank you for tuning in to one of my YouTube videos. This will be like episode 1. Maybe we already had an episode 1. I think we had an episode 2. This will be episode 3. Stay tuned for episode 4 coming real soon in the future. Yeah, thank you for watching. I really don't care if you subscribe. Have a good day.